Hey guys, today's project calls for installing a door handle. This video will apply to the third generation 2014 and up Chevy Silverado as well as Sierra, and it'll also apply to the GMC Yukon, the Chevy Suburban, and the Chevy Tahoe. Place the end of the door handle inside the door. Install your little rubber liner, whatever you want to call it. On the back side of that rubber liner, it does have a couple small little tabs on it that bite onto the door, so just make sure those slip into place. Next, you want to locate a small metal piece inside the door. It looks sort of like a fork. It has 3 prongs. The end of the door handle consists of 2 small tabs, and those 2 small tabs want to slide into that small metal fork looking piece that is inside the door handle. So to go about doing this, you have 2 options. You can either A, remove the door panel and access that small fork-like prong, and you want to push it forward towards the door handle and stick the door handle inside that hole and try and get that small metal piece to bite the end of that door handle. Or if you have a pick or a hook tool, you don't need to take the door panel off. You'll want to try and fish that prong piece and pull it towards you to get it to bite onto the end of that door handle. Hopefully that all makes sense. If it doesn't, comment down below and I'll answer your questions. Once you got the door handle to bite, next step would be to take a T15 Torx bit, place that door cap into place, and tighten up that bolt so it bites that cap. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like, consider subscribing for more videos just like this. Check out the other videos that I have on the channel. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.